Hello friends, Trudy here. I wanted to share with you another one of my favorite products from the Stampin' Up! Spring Mini Catalog. And it's on the same page as the first one that I shared a couple days ago. It's this one right here. It's called True Love Series Designers Paper. And there are 12 sheets, two each of 6 double-sided designs. So 12 different designs in all. Some of them are florals and some of them are geometric. So there's a lot of possibilities for making cards here. If you don't like geometrics, you have the florals. If you don't have like florals particularly, you have all the geometrics. Kind of sometimes if you just look at the pictures, you might think, that doesn't look very interesting. I'll bypass it for something more flashy like this set of papers. But there are so many possibilities with this. If you go onto Pinterest and you put black and white Stampin' Up! Cards into the search box, you'll find so many examples of cards that they've done just with using the black and white papers. But one of the neat things about them is you can add your own colors. You can make them whatever color suits your fancy for whatever card that you're planning to make. On page 10, they show 3 different examples of uses of the paper, and they've put a couple of different ideas for adding color to the paper. Then there's a couple more examples in the rest of the catalog, but I'm going to show you what I did. I made one card so far. It's this one, and I left this black and white, but the large floral pattern, I used the sponge daubers on it, and I sponged in some color. So that's what I did here. Just sponged a little bit of Rococo Rose and Just Jade, and to add a little bit of color to it before I added it to the card. But then I wanted to see what else I could do. This one, I used Stampin' Spritz on it. I just spritzed the color on. It's some Stampin' Up! Color from reinkers that have alcohol added to it and in one of the spritzers, and then you just spray it on. Real simple, real easy. You can find instructions on my blog, stampwithtrudy.blogspot.com, or else there's other examples around on the internet. This one, I just decided that I was going to try an old product that's not even Stampin' Up!, but I pulled out this Liquitex Interference Orange paint, and I sponged it all over this, and I think it turned out really cool. It gives it, the black really shows up the interference color, and it gives it a coppery sheen, so I'm sure I can do something fun with that. Then on this sample, I used Stampin' Blends on this set of flowers, and I used colored pencils on this set of flowers, or this flower. Well, I guess it's a set. There's 2 there. And then on these flowers, I used Stampin' Write markers. So those are 3 examples of coloring that you can use. I haven't yet, but I'm going to use this piece of paper, and I'm going to pull out my water brushes and try watercoloring some of these, see how they look. And then on this sample, I used a sponge brayer on this one to add color. So you can see that it's wide open what you can do with these. You can use them without color. You can use them with your favorite color. You could even put multicolor on it and make a rainbow. There's just so many things you could do. I can hardly wait to work with these more. Here's some of the other patterns. So, I hope you got a few crafty ideas from that, from what you can do. And have a crafty day.